Okay guys, now let us talk about the homeobox genes or homeotic genes, and what does this homeobox or homeotic genes actually mean. Now these are the simple terms. These are the genes which are helping in morphogenesis and as well in the organ development. Okay, during the development of arthropods, we can have not only arthropods but in case of mammals and different amphibians, reptiles and different species. What happens, there are some genes are important, really important, for generating the different body segments or body parts. Okay, and these genes control those formation of those different body parts, and finally morph those body parts to finally make an organ system. Those are called the homeobox genes. Now in this case, as we can see, in case of Drosophila melanogaster, we are having this homeobox genes called HOX. As you can see here, there are a lot of different types of HOX genes out there. HOX 1, HOX 2, HOX 4, HOX 5, HOX 6, and that several different types of HOX genes are there. And you can see different HOX genes are situated in a DNA strand, in a DNA, punctuated by several nucleotide sequences in interval. Okay, and what they are doing, they are actually producing different parts, and not only they're producing the parts, they are actually governing to convert these body parts throughout the morphogenesis to finally make a fully functional organ. So they are directing this different body part initials to finally make the fully functional organs. That is really important. They are really important during the morphogenesis, during actually the organogenesis. Okay, so as you can see, the HOX1 try to maintain and make this body part of this fruit fly uh, body part, which is this hook in front of their mouth, and this HOX2 is actually, sorry, HOX2 is actually making this hook in front of the mouse, and as well as you can see here, the HOX9 is helping to make this fruit fly body end body parts, which is which is different in character, and also this HOX7 part is helping them to produce this wings, this beautiful wings. So there are different HOX genes and there are different functions. So if you change, so you can see the difference between the functionality of HOX genes. HOX1 is producing the hook, whereas HOX7 is producing the wings. So if we can change a little bit in nucleotide sequence during this HOX gene transcription, it will end up with drastic or dangerous effects and dangerous results. We can have lead to the formation of different results, and there are different results. If we look at it is called one type of result is called the antennapedia mutation. Now what do you mean by this antennapedia? It's that sometimes there is a HOX gene which is responsible to produce this antenna, which is found onto the head of this Drosophila fly. So what happens if anyone have cause any mutation in that gene, as a result what happens, no longer that antenna is growing from the forehead. Instead of the antenna, a leg is growing onto the forehead. So that could be really fascinating picture to look, but that is real because scientists and researchers are inducing this kind of mutations to see what kind of role these hoax genes are actually playing. So this is a really kind of ruthless thing, but still it helps us to understand how and what are the functionalities which are played by these hoax genes, and these are the examples of the homeobox genes or homeotic genes. Okay, and that's it, and I hope it will help you. Thank you.